Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time try on of the Amali Gerald men's shoes in the brown color. This is a pair of shoes that I received from the company to review, and so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you what they look like up close, and then I'll throw them on my feet, give you a general sense of the size, fit, and look. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are Amali men's slip-on dress shoes. You can currently get these on Amazon for about $70. This is going to be the Gerald model in the brown color, but they've got a wide variety of color options as far as black, light brown, dark brown, white. Really what I would recommend doing is just checking the link below as far as the different styles and colors and seeing which one is your personal preference. But this is the one that they sent me. So this is the box, pretty simple as far as that. The model is going to be the Gerald 065 in the brown color, and I wear a 10.5, and so that's my standard size for everything. And then we'll just take a look at what these look like. Okay, so these are the shoes. And so this is the brown color. Basically, they're going to be a men's kind of slip-on loafer. It's going to have like this kind of like light brown, dark brown pattern that's pretty flat or kind of like shiny material across the edges here on the bottom. Okay, and then across the toe and the top area, there's going to be this textured kind of woven pattern across the top here with this black buckle and like leather buckle across the top here. Overall, it's a nice shoe as far as the design, fit. Don't see any major issues there. The bottom sole is going to be like a soft, not a soft rubber, but like a hard rubber material. It doesn't seem to be leather, but the heel is actually like a solid piece of wood with the rubber on the bottom here, so it should be pretty durable from that standpoint. But that's what the shoe looks like. Pretty straightforward. I believe that they have this specific model in a black version as well, where it's all black. They also have one that's black with kind of like a woven pattern on the side here. They've got a blue where it doesn't have any, it's like a flat finish there. And then a couple others that are kind of like a little bit of a different pattern there, but that's kind of the gist of the shoe. So hopefully that's helpful. And now what we'll do is we'll just throw these on my feet, get a sense of the general fit, size, feel, and that sort of thing. Okay, so here's the shoes again. This is what they look like. We'll just slide these on. I'm wearing just traditional dress socks as far as this purpose for this video. And overall, so as a 10.5, they fit pretty well. My toes probably about, the tip is right there. So there is a little bit of excess material where it's got this like longer toe on the front here, as well as on the other shoe. My toe's about there on the other side. There is a little bit of slack along the sides, which is good because this is a slip-on shoe where you do want to have a little bit more space so that you can get it on and off your feet. But this is what the shoe looks like overall from the side, the back, and then the other side. Generally, they're pretty comfortable. I feel like they do need to break in a little bit and kind of wear, like fit or conform to my foot a little bit. You'll see that probably over time. There will be a little bit of like wear pattern or kind of like some, not wear pattern, but like some flexing that forms across the top of the foot. So you will probably see that with time. But overall, nice pair of shoe. The sole does slip a little bit just because it doesn't have any texture, but that's pretty traditional for dress shoes. But that's all I have for this video. Hopefully it's helpful, but these are the Amali Gerald shoes. You can currently get them on Amazon for about $70. They've got multiple color options, styles, so definitely check out the link below. If you have questions, comments, post them below, but thanks for watching and have a great day.